you're so sweet, and I'm so glad we had the chance to meet. You caught my eye and you held my stare. I haven't broken it yet for over 50 years. Thanks for letting me lay by your side, and all those kisses every night. Wow, when you're away, do I miss you? Is it just because I can't kiss you? Is it dishes in the sink, or the lack of a wink, or just because I love my life with you? We started ourselves a family. The boys, they came 1, 2, 3, and now they have little ones of their own, and half of them are halfway grown. I followed you around the world, and I still think you're the prettiest girl. And I got to dance with my best friend, so I'm the luckiest man that's ever been. Why, when you're away, do I miss you? Is it just because I can't kiss you? Is it dishes in the sink, or the lack of a wink, or just because I love my life with you? Is it just because I can't kiss you? Is it dishes in the sink, or the lack of a wink, or just because I love my life? Why, when you're away, do I miss you? Is it just because I can't kiss you? Is it dishes in the sink, or the lack of a wink, or just because I love my life with you?
Make me work, make me sweat inside, make me feel like I'm alive. Take this hurt, lady, throw it in my face. Don't let these bones slow you down, 'cause I'm coming on strong. The grass should have looked greener. I need a true believer in disguise. If I'm loving you wrong, short-changing and receiving, girl, you best believe me behind, 'cause I'm over easy tonight. State the truth, spit it out, I'm waiting. Don't leave me contemplating my own life. Save the bullshit for another man or lover. Don't need a four-leaf clover to decide, 'cause I'm coming on strong. The grass should have looked greener. I need a true believer in disguise.